Welcome to a minute of homemade beauty tips where we explore DIY face mask recipes using natural ingredients from your kitchen. First, the oatmeal and honey mask. Just mix 1/3 cup oatmeal with hot water, add a tablespoon of honey, apply, wait for 15 minutes and rinse. Next up, the avocado and yogurt mask. Mash half an avocado, mix with 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt, apply, wait and rinse. For anti-aging, try the banana and honey mask. Mash a ripe banana, add a tablespoon of honey, apply, wait and rinse. To brighten your complexion, the turmeric and yogurt mask is your go-to. Mix a teaspoon of turmeric with 2 tablespoons of yogurt, add honey, apply, wait and rinse. If you want to tighten your skin, try the egg white mask. Beat an egg white until frothy, apply, let it dry, then rinse. For exfoliation, the strawberry and lemon mask works wonders. Mash 3 to 4 strawberries, add lemon juice, apply, wait, and rinse. And for soothing, the cucumber and aloe vera mask is perfect. Blend half a cucumber, mix with aloe vera gel, apply, wait, and rinse. Finally, for exfoliation and brightening, the papaya mask is ideal. Mash ripe papaya, apply, wait, and rinse. Always cleanse your face before applying a mask and patch test new ingredients. Follow up with your regular skincare routine and consult with a dermatologist for any allergies or skin conditions.